No holding back, no stepping stones, no broken promises, no busy tones. Just what it takes, just make believe. No one belongs to anything. I've seen the last, I've seen the last, I've seen the last train go by. This kill or be killed, I wonder who lives. Too long to stay outside, too long to be alone. Just let it go, just let it go, just let it go, just let it go. Far past the hour, far past the break, far past the point where I separate. The flash in the sky, the rage in my mind, but what is in mine? Can't get inside. So I should see, so I should learn, so I should be loved. This seed of Eden sounds like the way, but it ain't my cemetery, no, it ain't my grave. Too long to stay outside, too long to be alone. So just let it go, just let it go, just let it go, just let it go. Too long to stay outside, too long to be alone. Just let it go, 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 just let it go. But the reason I do hope that the pain will be seen, and the reason I do hope that the joy will be seen, oh, and the reason I do hope that the tears will be seen, oh, there's a reason I do hope that we all will be seen. say